Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can update apps on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Maybe something doesn't run as smoothly anymore, maybe you get notifications that there's an update available, maybe there's something else and you just want to check if there might be an update available. For that you need to go to your Play Store, go to your account here and then go to Manage Apps and Device. And now we can see here 35 updates pending, update all or see details. We can click on it and now we have an overview of all the apps that can be updated. We can again say update all or update here one by one or just one specific app that we would like to, update. I'm gonna update the calculator now, say update just for an example, and now here we have 34 updates left. So that goes really quick. If you've done that, you can just go back and then hopefully your app runs smoothly again. Whatever was wrong is fixed now. Mostly it's something in the background and you won't even notice the difference, or maybe there's a new design or something. So that's how you can look for updates on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.